nagagandahang mga kandidata in their lusciously beautiful and fit Rene Salud swimwear. Now I will announce the winners of 2 special awards. The official photos of the Binibining Caloocan 2011 candidates were taken by fashion and pageant photographer Gilbert Aplong of Rouge Studio. The prettiest in photos, as chosen by our official photographer, Mr. Gilbert Aplong, for Binibining Caloocan 2011 is none other than candidate number 4, Princess Lerio. Congratulations!
Binibining Caloocan 2011 Miss Photogenic will receive 5,000 in cash. Okay, SASH, Informatics Short-Term Scholarship Program, to be presented by Miss Patricia Fernandez, Mr. Anthony Malto, and 188 Barangay Captain, Mr. Edris Domato.
The winner of the first major award for the night also exuded on stage that glowing vibrancy brought about by being healthy and fit. Nakita nyo na silang rumampa sa kanilang mga swimsuits by Rene Salud. Sino sa tingin ninyo ang best in swimsuit? Eto na, mga kaibigan, ang ating best in swimsuit is candidate number 7, Margarita Francesca Cruz. Congratulations!
Binibining Caloocan 2011 Best in Swimsuit will receive 5,000 pesos in cash, SASH, OK, and Informatics Short-Term Scholarship Program, to be presented by City Administrator Russell Ramirez, Miss Karen Agustin, Austria, and Mr. Jao Mapa.
To the rest of our candidates, and of course, congratulations to our Miss Photogenic candidate number 4, Princess Lerio, and Best in Swimsuit candidate number 7, Margarita Francesca Cruz. More special awards will be given later on. In the meantime, let me acknowledge the event partners and other sponsors